Consideration must be always given to the potentially very dangerous nature of construction and maintenance work on farms, in particular, work at height. Use of a ladder to gain access to a height should only take place after thoroughly planning of the task, carrying out a risk assessment, and deciding a ladder is appropriate for the task. Before doing the work, ask yourself, am I competent? Should I hire someone trained and skilled in this type of work? Should I use equipment like an MEWP instead? When using a ladder, always set it up on firm ground, never on a movable surface such as tower scaffold, MEWP, pallets, or blocks. Have a strong upper resting point. Have the ladder at a safe angle, one out for every 4 units up. Secure the ladder properly. Use only for light, short duration work. Grip the stiles while climbing and maintain 3 points of contact, hands and feet, at all times at the working position. Move ladder location, never overreach. It is essential that farmers and building contractors construct buildings or carry out repairs in a safe manner to prevent serious or fatal accidents. The Safety, Health and Welfare Regulations 2013 and 2016 are in place to help create a safer place for all to work. When planning construction work on the farm, it is important to be aware of the hazards and associated risks. Carrying out construction work on farms places a legal responsibility on the farmer as the client to make appointments. A project supervisor design stage must be appointed to oversee design. A project supervisor construction stage must be appointed to oversee the safe construction of the building. FBD, Teagasc and the HSA have developed a Building Safety Guidance Booklet, which is available to anyone considering a construction project. Only employ competent contractors. All workers must be trained and competent. Falls from a height are a major cause of accidents on the farm. Of particular concern is falling through fragile roofs and ladders. 14% of all farm fatalities involve falls and collapses. You should only work at height if you are competent to do so and have appropriate and safe equipment. Mobile elevated work platforms should be used and not ladders or loader buckets. When painting, assess the work and the structure to determine if it is safe. Only remove bales using appropriate machinery and do not attempt to knock down bales using ropes or ladders. Farm construction and work at heights is potentially dangerous. Assess the risks and implement proper controls.